Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the Defillama ChatGPT plugin that you can use to retrieve data on decentralized finance protocols and blockchains. Right before I will show you an actual example on how to prompt the Defillama ChatGPT plugin, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on this plugin where I talk about some of the use cases of this plugin, and I also share some of the best prompts you can use the Defillama ChatGPT plugin with. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use the Defillama ChatGPT plugin. So before you would be able to use this Defillama plugin, you first of course have to make sure that the plugins feature is enabled in your ChatGPT account. So you're going to be able to select plugins from the GPT mobile selector. And to be able to enable plugins, you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription at the time of recording this video. This might change in the future, but at this moment you have to have a Plus subscription. Then you have to click on New Chat, and by default GPT 3.5 is selected. You have to select GPT-4, then select plugins. Then we have to install the Defillama ChatGPT plugin. As you can see, it's already installed for me, but if it's not for you, then you have to scroll down, click on Plugin Store, search for the Defillama ChatGPT plugin, and install it. And last but not least, you also have to make sure that the plugin is enabled, so we're going to be able to interact with the plugin using ChatGPT. And to enable the plugin, all you have to do is check the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Right, so as an example, we're going to use the following prompt: get the top 10 protocols that have earned the most revenue in the last month. So we're going to be able to access data about decentralized finance protocols, and we're going to be able to get some data about them. So let's see what the plugin will come up with. So all you have to do is click on Send Message here. And as you can see, the Defillama plugin has been activated. ChatGPT is able to understand natural language, so you don't have to use any kind of function or anything else. You can use just natural language in your ChatGPT plugin prompt. Then this is the request that has been sent to Defillama. The time period is month. The number of protocols is 10. And this is the response from the plugin. And we get a nice table with the top 10 protocols that have earned the most revenue in the last month. So as you can see, the number one is Ethereum, category is change. This is the revenue of the protocols, and this is the change we have seen on month to month. And we get the top 10 here. So this is one application of this Defillama ChatGPT plugin. As I mentioned, I share some other prompts in the article that I have linked in the description below, so you can also check that out as well. And I also have other tutorials on other cryptocurrencies or blockchain ChatGPT plugins that you can check out on my YouTube channel. And I also have tutorials on other stock trading ChatGPT plugins or business, finance, marketing, SEO, scientific research plugins that can be used with ChatGPT. And more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.